Welcome back to Storm. In this video, we are showing you two new ways to generate imposters in an upcoming version of Storm: Voxel Imposters and Tile-based Imposters. Voxel Imposters are a new type of imposter in Storm that gives you better visuals for distant rendering than traditional flat imposter types. Tile-based imposters are imposters of an entire area, which means you can render a single object in the distance instead of hundreds or thousands of individual objects. These new voxel and tile-based imposters will allow you to achieve performance at scale, meaning longer draw distances with better performance that beats vanilla Unity by far. You'll have a chance to go hands-on with this tech yourself in a brand new downloadable demo available for everyone. Keep watching to learn more details about the new imposter tech in Storm and what the demo has to offer. First, let's quickly recap how Storm currently handles levels of detail and imposter generation. When Storm ingests content, it automatically detects and sets up LOD groups for rendering. For example, if you ingest a tree model with 3 levels of detail, Storm utilizes those same 3 levels in its rendering pipeline. Additionally, Storm can generate imposter stages for you. Imposters are low-cost representations of the original object, designed to be rendered in the distance until the camera moves closer and the imposter is swapped for a more detailed mesh. Originally, Storm offered different kinds of flat billboard imposters. These ranged from simple billboards, which are essentially just a flat image, to 5-slice and 9-slice imposters that show the object from various perspectives. In our latest version of Storm, we've added a new imposter type: Voxel Imposters. While these use slightly more polygons than a flat billboard, they retain much more of the object's original shape. Instead of looking at intersecting planes, you get a full 3D representation of the original object. This means the imposter reacts to light much better than billboard imposters, which literally fall flat when it comes to how they interact with scene lighting. In short, these new imposter types will help you build better-looking scenes with performance comparable to the older billboard tech. With the upcoming Storm version 1.0.14, we're taking things a step further. In addition to creating imposters for single objects, Storm can now group the entire content of a render cell into a single, tile-based imposter mesh. This allows you to achieve massive draw distances without sacrificing performance. These tile-based imposters can also have multiple levels of detail themselves, allowing you to further customize the balance between the fidelity of your faraway content and overall performance. You might remember the scene shown here. We used it to demonstrate performance gains in our low-poly demo video. This scene is 2 by 2 kilometers in size and filled with game objects, which can be challenging to render without any additional means of rendering acceleration. In the Unity version of this scene, we are seeing roughly 45 frames per second in this shot. With Storm, this becomes much different. We are getting more than 300 frames per second now, although you can clearly see a visual impact with the billboard imposters in the distance. We've updated this same scene with our new voxel and tile-based imposters. As you can see, the combination of these two allows for large draw distances while maintaining high frame rates, and the new voxel imposters are much closer to the look of the original content in the scene. To ensure a seamless transition between the real content and the tile imposters, we've implemented a dithered blend between the tile-based imposters and your live scene content. Voxel and tile-based imposters will arrive in Storm version 1.0.14, dropping in the next few weeks. Until then, you can grab the demo scene shown in this video right now. Use it to compare the Unity and Storm versions, toggle between billboard and voxel imposters, and test it with different controllers. Check the description for the download link, and let us know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.